Hey guys, it's Kelly with SunnyTangerine Stock, and today I wanted to come in and show you a quick tutorial on how to edit the color palette that I made for you here in Canva. So if you already have a pro account in Canva, then you probably already have your brand colors loaded up in here, and so you'll know how easy this will be to just go up to the color box and just start popping in your colors here just like this. And then what you can do is you can go back and put your hex codes in once you have those. But if you don't have a pro account, you're going to have to know what your hex codes are. And so once you have your hex codes, you can go ahead and pop them in. So just highlight on one of the boxes, go up to the new color, and when you type in your hex code, it will fill the square with the color that you've put in there. What I'm going to do in the rectangle next to it is I'm going to copy and paste the hex code into the box or the rectangle next to it, and that is going to make it really easy to just move on down the line. So if I go up and do the next one, I only have like one memorized by heart. So okay, so I'm going to copy and paste this one again, and I'm going to put it into the little box right here. And I'm going to go on down the line, and I'm going to finish all those up. Now, if you don't have 6 colors, no big deal. You can delete any of these. If you only have 3, then just use 3. But what I wanted to show you is that if it was me and I was doing this from scratch, I would also make the rectangle the same color as the square. I would also change the color of the font to the same color as the square, and all the way down the line, and I would make it all just look really cohesive and really nice. If you like I said, if you don't have the a number of colors that are here, go ahead and delete them. Let me write this in real quick. And you can move the rectangles over too if you want, and make them change the size of them, and say you just only have like 3 or 4, but maybe you also want to put your fonts in here. It's just a great way to keep everything in one place, but you can move your fonts over to the margins and keep that also in here. And then, you know, this is a really great thing to keep on your desktop. It's a great thing to keep on your phone. It is something that you can give to VAs or business managers, that people that do your social media for you, whatever, any designers that are helping you with other things, websites, stuff like that. You can put your web colors in the margins also. I just print mine up and I write in by hand my other colors. Like maybe I'll find a lighter or darker version of one of my colors, and I'll write the hex code next to that, so that if I'm designing something and I don't like the way it looks, I can have an alternative color. But there's lots of things that you can do with this. There's no rules. You can change it all up the way you want. Just I would just name it something different when you save it out. If you don't have a pro account, you're not going to be able to resize it. I have it set as an 8x10, and if you want to make it smaller, then you'd need to take it into another program like Photoshop or something to resize it and make it smaller. But If you aren't printing it, it's no big deal to just put it onto your desktop, or I have it on my phone so that I can quickly reference, make my fonts different colors and stuff when I'm on my phone. So anyway, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, just leave them down below in the comments, and I'll see you next time.